eyebrows. We're going to use the Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the color dark brown. I'm going to use my small angle brush. Yes, I'm doing another live. I'm on TikTok. So you guys are the first ones that I show doing my makeup, and then I go to TikTok to show how I recreate my makeup look. So we're going to fill in those eyebrows. You guys. Hey, Patton. I did. I ate them already. Sorry I didn't come on live and eat them. But you guys were trying to talk bad about me. I'm going to use my Acorn Nicka K concealer. I'm going to apply that underneath my brows. It was straight. I added honey like Liam told me to, because it wouldn't be hot with that sauce. And he was right. It take that spiciness away. I'm trying to go live right now to show you guys the other thing. Oh, told you, girl, yet. I'm going to use my angle brush, and I'm going to do my eyebrows like that to make them even. So I need to go back in because in there it looks more slanted. So I'm going to go back in with that dark brown. Alright. So now we're going to go ahead and use Ruby Kisses eyeshadow palette. This is the Ruby Kisses Madagascar Forest. Mostly the green and gold, which I love gold really. It fits my eyes more. So I'm going to use my light green color here, and I'm just going to go over like under my eyebrow just a little bit. I'm going to bring that color down. Is there any question you guys want to ask me? If you guys are just coming onto my live or joining my live, tap on that screen for me and show your girl some love. Tap, tap, tap for me. Alright, and then I'm going to use this color like a solid gold. Then I'm going to use this brush here, and I'm going to use this dark green, and I'm going to go in the crease and then kind of like bring it out, like wing the green out a little bit. Thank you. Thank you, Simply Tana. Thank you. So I do want to collaborate with you guys. Anybody? Tap that screen for me. Tap, 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 tap. So I want to collaborate with anybody. There's no right or wrong. We're going to do this shimmer gold. We're going to apply like the model did in the picture. Come on, everybody, like this live for me. Tap that screen, double tap. It don't cost you anything. Double tap for me. Come on. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Alright, so now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply my lashes. These are the new lashes from I Envy, the Crystal Glow. These are called Emerald. You guys can find them on the site ivyusa.com. And it's spelled ivyusa.com. And you can go in there and purchase you some lashes, nails, hair care, color dye, and skincare as well. And these are the lashes that I'm wearing in the video. These are the Emerald. They look very natural. They're not too long. They're not too thick. They look like your lashes. And this is what I like about these lashes, because it's not too long. I know I mostly wear long. Sometimes I like wearing long, but I like wearing the natural look. So I'm just applying some lash glue above the rim of my lash. And I'll usually bend my lash when I apply it on. And then we're just going to do it like this. We're going to apply it as close as possible. Close to the lash line. And we're just going to press down. And then that's it. Easy. Now we're going to use the Foundation Pro by I Envy. This is a 332 Kids Pro Foundation Liquid Foundation. I like this brand a lot because it's really a thin layer. Now I remember I was using Nicka K. Nicka K is good too, but the only thing about Nicka K is that it's really thick, so that's why I apply it under my eyebrows. So I do that first. Now we're going to use this brush, and I'm going to blend out this concealer. So when you do apply makeup, you guys, so it don't matter if you go all over the place, because when you apply concealer right there, it helps how I can explain it, to make your eyes stand out with your makeup. So you can have all the different colors on the outside. And just remember, put your concealer there and blend. Do not brush down like that, because you're going to mess up the foundation, and then you're putting pressure on your skin as well. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. Just take your time. Just softly blend out the foundation or concealer that you are using for your skin. And definitely that's it. And then now I'm going to take my wide brush, and I'm going to go underneath by using my dark green color. I'm going to apply it here. Ooh. Just be careful, because sometimes that can get in your eye. And then if you do mess up, all you gotta do is just go back like that. So you don't have to stress out. So everybody have their own technique, their own way of doing makeup. So, and then you can go back over with the sponge, make sure that the colors are sitting properly into your skin, which is the concealer or foundation. Okay. So I'm trying to put a little lightness. And I don't have to, but I wanted to do this. Welcome to my live, guys. Tap on that screen for me. Show your girl some love. YouTube and TikTok. Come on. It don't hurt. It don't cost. Let's go. So I add a little lightness to it. I don't have to do that either because you don't want to overdo it, but I just add a little light to the foundation. So what do you guys think? So I did recreate the beautiful YouTuber content creator makeup look. I also can add a little of a nude color in the inner corner as well, like she did. So I can use the color Bear. Yep, that look better. Alright guys, so this is the finished look that I did and recreated. It's not hard to do, you guys. Just have to have self-confidence, motivation, because I do be scared of doing makeup of other content creators, but I still push through and do it. What the makeup, you're so pretty. Thank you, Elise. Thank you. So this is the finished look, you guys, of the makeup that I am recreating in the background behind me. So if you guys haven't already, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys on TikTok, come on, follow me. Let's get up to 2,000 subscribers. Come over to my YouTube channel. I will still be live. I'm probably going to stay on to maybe 10 or 9:30. So if you guys want to come over and join, my YouTube channel name is Modest Transformation by Celeste. Also, follow me on my Instagram. I have my personal page, sexyriri_93. I do have a business Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste. So you guys follow me on both platforms. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. So I will be here still going live on YouTube. So TikTok, I'm going to go ahead and end you guys. Thank you for coming on. This is the finished look. I will post pictures as always. And thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. Thank you, pretty looks. Thank you so much. I will definitely see you guys in my next live. I love you. See you. Bye.